I believe at least once in your life you have went to Google and search how to make money online. Well, most of us have, but maybe if you haven't, lucky for you. So today I'll show you an app that pays you to do simple tasks and survey. It pays you up to 500 a day, and you can withdraw a minimum of 500. You can withdraw via Mpesa, and it doesn't charge anything. It's free. Registration is free, and the tasks are very simple. Stick with me to the end. Hi everyone, this is DIY with Lucy. Welcome to another tutorial.
So this is how the app looks like. You need to go to your Play Store and look for this app. It's called Premise. This is how the app looks like. At the moment, I don't have any tasks. It pays you to do simple surveys, and each survey you get paid 3 bob. Some surveys you get paid 4 bob. These are the surveys that I have completed. Other time it can send you to a location. You need to keep your location open so that they send you the tasks that are close to your location. So for example, this one, I got paid 40 bob. They sent me to a hospital nearby. They'll send you to a location and you need to be there exactly at that location for you to open that task. If you are not there, it will not open. So you go to that location. Then when you are at the location, it will ask you simple questions like how safe do you feel in that area? Is it open at the moment? It will tell you to take a picture of the name of the location, or maybe the banner, and sometimes the front of the location, and you need to take good clear photos. Make sure you take clear photos. It is advisable to do the task during the day so that when you take your photos, they are clear, because if the photos are not clear, then they are not going to approve your survey. So after you submit the photos and you answer the questions, they pay you for the task. There are usually very many tasks like that one. Sometimes they tell you to locate a pharmacy, sometimes it's a way bridge, sometimes a river. But those tasks they give you, they're usually not very far from your location. Like this one, they sent me to a pharmacy and they paid me 30 bob for that, 40 bob, and then you can answer simple surveys for just 3 bob. The surveys are maybe about climate change, about phone and internet, sustainability, about rule of law, about personal safety, transportation, water and sanitation. They are usually very simple. About shopping, housing. Once you complete the survey and it is approved, then they add some money in your wallet. If it is 3 bob, 4 bob, 40 bob. Then for the cash out option, you can cash out as credit mobile top up, a minimum of 300. You can cash out via Airtel Kenya, and you can cash out via Mpesa, a minimum of 500 each. Me, I cashed out 506, and they did not deduct even the transaction cost. It took a few minutes. I cashed out and the money was sent to my account, to my Mpesa immediately. It is as simple as that. Here is where you find the tasks. There are usually very many.
This video was of help to you. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.